NVIDIA just dropped a free 12 billion parameter AI model that reads documents, understands images, and watches videos. And you can run it right now for free. I'm talking about Nematron Nano 2VL. This thing does OCR better than most paid tools. It answers questions about images like it has eyes. It summarizes entire videos and timestamps events. The weights are public on Hugging Face, API costs, no hidden fees. This is going to change how you process documents and videos. Today, I'm breaking down NVIDIA's brand new Nemotron Nano 2VL model, 12 billion parameters, open weights. I'm showing you what it does, where to get it, and 3 live demos. By the end, you'll know if this can replace your current document processing tools. Nemotron Nano 2VL is NVIDIA's newest open source multimodal model, 12 billion parameters, big enough to be smart but small enough to actually run without spending thousands on cloud GPUs. It uses a hybrid transformer Mamba architecture. What matters is this makes it way faster at processing long documents and videos. We're talking 128,000 token context windows. NVIDIA built this for 3 things: OCR and document parsing, visual question answering, and long video understanding. These are the exact tasks businesses pay thousands of dollars a month for right now. The model weights are completely open. NVIDIA released everything on Hugging Face. Download it right now. No waitlist, no approval process. Let me tell you why this matters for your business. First, document extraction. If you've dealt with invoices, receipts, or contracts, OCR is a pain. Traditional tools make mistakes. They can't handle tables. Nematron 2VL crushes this. It understands document structure. It extracts tables with data in the right columns. It handles multiple languages better than most paid services. NVIDIA tested this on OCR Bench V2. That's one of the hardest document benchmarks. Nematron ranked at the top. Second, visual question answering. Show this model any image and ask questions. What's in this image? What's the serial number? How many people are here? You get accurate answers. This is practical. E-commerce, customer service, quality control. Anytime you need to process images at scale, the real reason this matters: speed and cost. Running your own model means no API fees, no rate limits, complete control. For businesses processing thousands of documents daily, this saves tens of thousands per month. You have 2 options. Option 1 is hosted access. Use platforms like OpenRouter, or they have Nematron on free or shared tiers, perfect for demos and small projects. Option 2 is download and run it yourself. Full control, but requires hardware. The BF16 version needs around 22 gigabytes of GPU memory. A single A10G GPU works. For heavy production workloads, you'll want A100 or H100 clusters. If you have a decent gaming PC with a modern NVIDIA GPU, you can probably run this locally. I tested OCR with a real invoice, table of items, prices, totals, the kind that breaks traditional OCR tools. I loaded the invoice and gave it a simple prompt: extract the table from this invoice. The model processed the image and output a structured table, every item name, every quantity, every price, all correct columns, no mistakes. This took 3 seconds. Compare that to manually typing or fixing bad OCR. Hours saved per document. It even preserved formatting. It understood subtotals. It knew which numbers were quantities versus prices, production-ready accuracy. You could feed this thousands of invoices and trust the output. I have an image of a product with a serial number sticker. I asked Nematron, what is the serial number on this device? He pulled out the exact serial number. Perfect accuracy. Then I asked, describe what you see in this image. It gave me a detailed description, device type, visible components, the condition, even lighting and angle. This is where multimodal AI gets powerful. It's not just reading text, it's understanding, reasoning about what it sees. Customer support can automatically answer questions about product images. Quality control can flag defects without human review. Content moderation can understand user uploaded photos, all on your own hardware, no data leaving your servers. Before the third demo, most vision models can't do. They analyze single frames but lose track over time. Nematron's long context window remembers everything from start to finish: video analytics, security footage, training videos, user content moderation, all at scale. And you're not uploading sensitive video to third-party APIs. Everything stays on your hardware. Quick rundown on running this. For testing without setup, go to OpenRouter or Nebius. They have Nematron hosted. Start making requests immediately. For running locally, go to Hugging Face, find the model repo, clone it to your machine, install the requirements. There's a requirements.txt file. Run pip install -r requirements.txt. Then run the inference script python run _inference.py-model NVIDIA/NVIDIA-Nematron-Nano-12 B-V 2-VL-BF16-prompt and your prompt. The model loads, processes your input, outputs the result. Hardware-wise, the BF16 version runs on a single A10G GPU with 22 gigs of memory. A modern gaming GPU works for testing and most business applications. No model is perfect. First, hallucinations. Like all language models, Nematron can make stuff up on edge cases. Always verify critical outputs. Second, OCR isn't flawless. Really good, but not 100%. Test on your specific documents first. Third, video processing is resource-intensive. Long high-resolution videos take time and GPU memory. You might need to segment videos. Fourth, licensing. Read NVIDIA's terms for commercial use. Fifth, privacy. If you're processing sensitive data, run this on your own hardware. Use it responsibly. Test it, validate outputs, follow best practices. Nematron Nano 2VL is a massive release. 12 billion parameters, open weights, free. Crushes documents, visual reasoning, and video analysis. For businesses, this replaces expensive OCR services. Automates visual quality control, processes video without API costs. For developers, build multimodal applications without expensive APIs or rate limits. The model is on Hugging Face right now, all links in the description. The repo, the research papers, the hosted demos. If you got value, smash that like button and subscribe. I drop AI updates like this every week. Drop a comment telling me what you're building with Nematron.